From a Dan B, everything Chris. Make sure you no miss this. Laugh and have a good time. All our vibes. I did and be this. Dan B share happiness. Or we can discuss serious topics. Like, comment, subscribe. All our vibes. You need it. It's the Dan B.
Alright, so tonight, actually, April 3rd, just showing y'all my kitties before I start this challenge with y'all. One of them asleep. Well, one of them I opened, that is. The mother there said drink milk. And she called down my name a while ago for some food. And I'm going back to sleep, so. Anyway. Alright, I'm take it light out of them face now. Sorry, Skittles. So it is cold. I saw them shivering. Just no. So, I'm gonna make noise if you take them off now, but more them on the toilet. Sorry, Mama. Don't make any noise. The mother one gone back and drink some more milk. Don't make any noise. Shh. The mother would work for nice. Come. You wanna know? People, all of them are women. They're all females. That is not good. Alright, so my mama never spread out this properly. But at least I'm getting it warm. Hey mama. So the mother can go over the sun. And she's still a drink her milk. Privilege like. Watcha? Go on to them, not trouble them. Go on now. Stop now. I'm trying to piss funny. God. 14. Luna has been found, guys. She was wandered off over there, so in the flower spot place over there. So this morning I woke up and I heard this whole heap of noise I make. When I looked, I saw those 3 kittens fast asleep. So I'm saying, where is this sound making? So when I look, I opened the door, I went outside and I saw that she was at the same place as I went yesterday to find her, but I could not find her. So Sarah, look out. When I saw her now, she was like trying to climb out of the hole. Well, not a hole, but you know, a lot of flower spots were there, and it was like, how am I getting out? So I took her up, right? The mother came down because she heard the noise, and I put her on the ground so that the mother now could at least take her up with her mouth and put her on the veranda. The mother, she just looked like, oh, you're there now. Okay. she not sure like say, oh my god, my daughter has been missing and she's now found. No, not like that. Oh please, mama. So I took up the kitten and I put her on the veranda and she's now right here. You know. So when I feed for her face. Yeah, go down in it. Right, she's feeding her face while this one is trying to get comfort, trying to get some food, trying to feel love, trying, you know, from she did born, from she was a very, very small kitten, I looked at her and I saw that no man, she looked like the black sheep. She just looked different from everybody else. Not different in color, or size, or shape, but the fact that she's just alone. She always by herself. She always, I don't know, she needs some love. So right now I'm gonna get something for her because the mother no probably the mother hungry, so she'll get some food in her system so she can feed her kittens. But I'm gonna try my best and get something for her, like make some lasco or something, touch up her mouth because you know her mouth not so white for her, like her mother. So this is Luna, guys. Say hi, Luna. And these are the other kittens fast asleep on their siblings. But Luna just looks so hopeless. Oh my gosh. Alright, so as you can see, the mother has been cleaning and bathing her kids. Luna finally get the chance to get some breasts. I tried to give her some lasco. You know, just touch up her mouth, but that did not work. She really needed her mother's breast because one day straight and absent by the home, no man. I don't know where she gone. As I said, she gone over there, so. And sometimes you see her wandering over there. She one gone over there, so I don't know what took place. Where you gonna get up for? The lady want some more. Watch ya. This is Luna right here. You see what I'm talking about? Watch her. The veranda one white now. So clean. Oh, the mother is still hungry. Who this over here? So this looks like Lila. This is Lila, guys. Hi, Lila. Hey, Chichi. Try to put her foot in the water now. Kitty not understand say the pit now needs some water, some food now. Come, come now, sit cheese here where you eat. Come down, if you come down, idiot. Jump over there, so jump on my next foot. Watch out. Jump on my next foot now. Backside. Come here. I love your cheese, you know.